Everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about Humbl stock. In this video we talk about the stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. The stock is trading at 0.0032 US dollar with 4.92% positive in a day. We can see easily stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently at all time high, so the fundamental stock is much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. And also comment all related queries.